So, in today's video, I am going to show you that how you can make this poster, just using Pixellab and Lightroom. So without any further delay, let's get started. Let's start with adding our main subject, because without this image, today's poster is going to be nothing. Now I will pick a color for my background with the color picker tool. Now I will add a textured overlay LN the background, and going to erase the white background. Remember that you will get everything that is being used, or going to be used later in this project. You can get all of these from a single link given in the description below, to giving it a better feel and vibe. I will add some shadows for the subject, speeding up because the video is going to be too long. Now I will create a graffiti wall with a messy text, like you know the graffiti vibe. Now, just follow the steps. Now, apply the same process for the other texts. Adding an abstract logo of Barcelona so that I can make it to any color I want. But for this project, I want it to be white. So the Pixellab works are done. Now we can jump into Lightroom. In Lightroom, I will add some cinematic flair to the poster. Play around with the lighting to make those characters pop. And don't be afraid to go wild with the colors. And there you have it, folks. Your very own football poster. So this was for today. See you on another video. Till then, be smart, be safe, be creative.